It's time to take my baby, my oldest daughter, for a first driving lesson with daddy. Oh boy, I'm nervous. Okay, so we're doing your first driving lesson. Have you even been behind the wheel of a car before?
No.
Not at all?
No.
So, what, you asleep?
Yeah, I was laying down.
You got braid marks on your face?
Yeah.
So this is the first time you ever been behind the wheel of a car ever?
Yeah.
And now you just telling me.
I told you that before.
Why your mom ain't take you driving?
Because they scared.
Scared of what?
That they're going to die.
I'm scared too.
Okay, but you got more driving experience than them.
Oh, jeez. All right, well, let's go. All right, so before I even have you sit down, can you point to where the brake is? Like, let me see you touch the brake. And the other one's the gas.
Yes.
All right, so point to the brake. Point to the gas. Let me see your left hand.
Left hand?
Let me see your left hand. Let me see it right here. All right, you can have a seat inside the car. So the first thing I want you to demonstrate for me is to get yourself to be prepared to drive. So I want you to scoot your chair up. I want you to pull the backrest up. I want you to get your seatbelt on. So is the chair too low for you? You look kind of low. So now you got to open the door back up. Step outside the car. There's a big handle down there. There's a big one. Pull it. Keep pulling it and over, and that's gonna make the seat go higher. I don't know, you're so small. P, what do you think P stand for? What do you think R stand for? What do you think N stand for? What does neutral do?
It's like the car's going, but it's not.
The car's definitely going to move in neutral, but it's not going to be, if you hit the gas, it's not in gear, meaning it's neutral, meaning the car's not going to go forward or back. But if you take your foot off the brake while the car's in neutral, the car will roll away. Okay? Depending on whatever. What's this stand for? The D, drive. What I need you to understand how to do is to understand where that brake is. I don't need you looking for put your foot on the brake. I don't need you looking for the brake. You got to know where the brake is every single time you drive. You got to know where the brake is. Okay? Driving is a big responsibility. When you drive, you cannot be on the phone. You cannot be texting. You can't look away for 1 second. You look down for 1 second, you look up. Somebody, a child could be standing in the street that was chasing a ball. Driving is a big responsibility. You can let your foot off the brake and then push it. So you can let it all the way off. All right, so we had to take a lunch break. You didn't do bad. Like I want to say you almost killed me, but you kind of did. You did good. So you just you working on practicing just the principle.
Turning. I can go straight.
It's always the turning, yeah.
Turning.
But I don't know how good you was at going straight. I can't lie to you.
I was good.
I think you did good because it wasn't like a time where I had to really like scream at you or something like that. Like stop. Ah. You know what I'm saying? So you did good.
That's why I don't want mommy to drive me because she
Yeah, your mom probably lose her mind. So we're gonna stop and have lunch at the beautiful Belvedere Square. I'm gonna get some footage of it so y'all can see where we at. Muffins. Shrimp. last but not least, the Salmon BLT. What? Is it busted? I'm telling you, what you think about the sounds? This shrimp was hitting too. You could have had your own. How's your quesadilla? I'm ready when you ready. Put the brake, put the car in park. I know you lying. So what you not doing right now that you're supposed to be doing? You don't have your seatbelt on. You ain't checked your mirrors. You ain't do none of that. I know you lying. All right, let's go. We're gonna keep it inside these yellow lines. Let's see what you got. All right, so your first driving lesson. What you think?
It's kind of hard, but it's kind of easy. But it's also kind of hard at the same time. Like,
what you think is easy about it? Because for some reason, I felt like you probably thought the whole thing was easy. So what you think was easy about it?
turning isn't easy. I think like going straight and being able to find the find the brake is easy for me. Like being able to brake and not like brake hard is easy.
Well, you know you're not going fast neither, right? Because you know it's different ways you gotta hit the brake for different speeds.
Yeah.
So I think you did really good for your first time driving a car, period. You did really good. I think I gotta be a better teacher, so I might have to learn some different techniques for teaching people how to drive, but I think you did really good. The car's in one piece. We both in one piece, so it's getting late, getting dark, like it's gonna rain.
It's like hot, like the
like humid?
Yeah, but it feels like it's raining. I feel like I just felt rain on me.
Oh, okay. Our first driver lessons in the books.